loves, it has finally been 1 year since my big chop. Just to remind you guys, this is what I was working with exactly 1 year ago, and now I'm about to straighten my hair. After 1 year of no heat, this is how much growth I have. So starting off, shampooing my hair with Miss Jessie's Super Slip Sudsy shampoo. And then I detangled my hair in the shower with this super cool brush by Kaela. And then I hydrated and did a protein treatment with this Shea Moisture mask. So after I get out the shower, this is my hair with no product on it, soaking wet. And what I like to do is kind of soak up any of that extra water because I'm going to get ready to blow dry my hair, of course. And it just works a lot faster when it's not soaking wet. So I'm just soaking up as much moisture or water as possible. I should say water, just not the moisture but the water. And I'm just tapping it. I'm not roughing up my hair shaft with the towel. You can use a microfiber towel or microfiber or a t-shirt, but this is what I'm working with after I soaked all that water out. And I'm going to section my hair, of course, into 4 sections. You guys, like, I cannot stress this enough. If you want your hair to be super straight when you straighten your hair, or any hairstyle that you're going to do, you need to section off your hair. So I'm using my little butterfly clips, and I'm going to do that. And I am getting ready to blow dry this bad boy. So the key to really getting your hair straight, in my opinion, is making sure you get it as stretched or as straight as possible while blow drying it. That makes the straightening process 10 times easier. So I swear by this product right here. It is the Cream of Nature Humidity Gloss. You guys, I'm in Tallahassee, Florida. The humidity is something serious here. So this spray right here is truly the truth. Like, I spray it on before I blow dry my hair, and then after I blow dry my hair, I spray it again to make sure it's like really in my hair, and then I straighten it. And I'm telling you, it does not budge at all. And then I'm taking this Chi heat protectant spray. Of course, we're going to protect our hair strands with some heat protectant, and I'm making sure I rub those 2 products into my hair before I do anything. But like I said, I did end up keeping my hair straight for about 2 weeks, and I did this on my birthday, by the way, so that made it like 11 months and like 3 weeks. Not exactly a year, but basically a year. So now I'm going to be taking one of my Kaela brushes and getting ready to blow dry. So with that one section, I am going to divide it in 2 because I have a lot of hair. It's super thick. So like I said, the smaller the section, the more concentration you have of getting that section as straight as possible, which is the key when you're blow drying your hair. So I have my Chi blow dryer, and I have the concentrator nozzle attached. And I am just brushing through and blow drying it, making sure that the nozzle is pointed towards the hair shaft and I'm blowing downward. Honestly, this is the longest process to me because, like I said, I am concentrating on getting it as stretched as possible. But the thing I love about these Kaela brushes is, if you guys saw where I was showing how the vents open up, it is so easy to clean. Like, I threw away all my other paddle brushes because now I'm going to use these for the rest of my life because these brushes are great. No, seriously, I detangle with it and blow dry with it. So this is the results of the back of my hair. Some serious growth for 1 year, y'all. Like, I showed you the proof in the beginning, okay? This is some serious growth here. So this is my hair completely blow dried, and now I'm going to move on to straightening. But first, my friends wanted to make a little cameo in my video, so here it goes.
You press record now? I said record. Did you press record now? Wait. Subscribers. Hey, Kaela subscribers. This is Aaliyah here, your fave. I'll be making a YouTube channel soon.
We're waiting on it.
No, I already have one. I actually uploaded a video.
Alright, and back to the video. So I'm taking this fancy little chase and comb little tool to straighten my hair. And I'm going to be working in sections as well. I'm taking this little Chi Flatiron that I have. It's not the best in my opinion, honestly. I went back through it with my other Flatiron, but basically you get the point. I'm straightening my hair. So like I said, I'm taking thin sections of all 4 sections, and I'm going to begin to straighten. Now, like I said, I did spray that humidity gloss on each section before I went through and straightened it again, because like I said, I want that to really be in the hair. So as I straighten my hair, I like to go through it one time just to get it, you know, straight. And then I take that chase and comb brush, apply that to the hair, and go through it one more time. That is basically all I'm doing. And I'm sure you guys are like, oh my gosh, that smoke, you're burning your hair. No, you guys, it's been a year since I straightened my hair. Like, I promise you, no damage is coming out of this. I do this all the time. Usually when I straighten my hair, I do put it on like the second to highest heat. Sometimes I put it on the highest heat, but I never burn my hair. So like I said, I don't straighten my hair as often. It has been a year, so I really didn't get any damage from this. Now, as far as trimming my hair, I did trim my hair off camera because I really wanted to focus on making sure I gave myself a even cut, because when my hair was not straightened, I did have the tendency to just cut it randomly. Like, you know, certain curls that were acting funny, I would cut, but because I have thick hair, it's kind of like not noticeable. So if you have thin hair, I would not suggest doing that because you don't want any gaps in your hair. But yeah, so I was really pleased with the results. I can't wait for you guys to see the end of this video, because my hair, as you can see from this clip, has truly grown a lot. And I did maintain this for 2 weeks, and I guess you guys are wondering, am I going to straighten my hair more often now? Yeah, probably. I do plan on straightening it again for Christmas, but I'm not going to do it back to back. I really only did the 1 year no heat challenge because I knew if I were to not straighten it for a year, it would grow really fast. Like, honestly, that's one of the key things to growth. But yeah, so that's basically what I do, you guys. That's just the whole back section, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished result. But yes, let me know if you guys want me to go in depth in another video and explaining how I grew my hair out, even though I have like 2 videos on my channel about it. Having fun here. And yes, I do wrap my hair at night, and if I get lazy, I do sleep on a satin pillowcase. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.